I'm just getting ready to install this cell phone holder. It's made for MagSafe. Not only does it hold the phone, but it charges it at the same time. On the bottom, you've got your sticky. We'll take that off in a second. In addition, you've got this suction mount. You can extend this out. So let's put this in. All we're gonna do is just peel that off. So get it where you want it, push down on it, and now pull the clamp down and we are locked in. When you mount your phone, watch this. It's gonna go ahead and it's also gonna charge your phone. That's the MagSafe, that's an iPhone, it is charging. And the next question is, will it charge your Android? And the answer is yes, as long as your Android supports wireless charging. Watch this. Now this is a completely dead Android phone. Give it just a second and there we go. It's kicked on. This is a dead battery like I said, but it is charging it. You're gonna go ahead and just apply a little bit of pressure and slowly, look, here we go. And it didn't leave any residue on there at all. So you can wash that with a little bit of soap and water, let it dry. It'll kind of revive it. And you can move this to another vehicle or move it to a different spot. I almost forgot to mention, they do give you the vent clip. So if you want to attach this to your vehicle's vent, you can do that. It's super sticky, very strong. It's going to stick. That's important. It's going to charge your phones. And you've got all of this adjustability and functionality built in. You can bring it towards you. You can pivot it. Phone holder for the car. That's also going to charge. So definitely pick this one up. Did a good job with it. That is my quick review and thanks for watching.